In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and open a Printify account for your print-on-demand business. Printify is a fantastic platform for starting your e-commerce business with ease, offering you the tools to design and sell custom products without the hassle of managing inventory. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Printify website. Once there, you'll notice a button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click on it to begin the registration process. If you're already familiar with Printify, you'll find the sign-up process quite intuitive. For new users, don't worry, it's straightforward and won't take long. Next, you'll be presented with different options to create your account. For our purposes today, click on Continue with Google. This option simplifies things as it allows you to sign in using your Google account, which many of us use regularly. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one you'd like to associate with your Printify account. Once you've chosen your Google account, click on Continue. At this point, Google may ask you to confirm some details or grant permissions necessary for integration with Printify. Just follow the prompts until you've successfully navigated through this authorization process. Now that you've signed up, Printify will present you with a series of questions. These questions are designed to better understand your needs and tailor their services to fit your business. It might ask, for instance, about your goals and what you aim to achieve with Printify. Answer these questions honestly to ensure you get the most out of the platform. Following that, Printify will want to know a bit more about you. They'll ask what best describes your role or business type. This helps them offer more relevant suggestions and support. Once again, select the option that fits you best. You'll also be prompted to answer questions regarding your experience in the print-on-demand industry. This can range from beginner to expert. This information is again used to provide tailored guidance, especially if you're new to this business model. After you've answered all the questions and clicked through the Next prompts, you'll be asked about your intended markets. Printify wants to know where you plan to sell your products, and they give you the flexibility to choose from local regions, or even opt for global sales. One of the final things you'll need to do is let Printify know how you heard about them. This is just standard procedure for them to understand their outreach and marketing effectiveness. Finally, after you've answered all these queries, you'll see a button labeled Complete. Click it and you're all set. You've successfully created and opened your Printify account, and there you have it. You're ready to start exploring Printify and bringing your creative ideas to life in the world of e-commerce. Good luck and happy selling!